Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's understand and see how to check your adapter of laptop. So laptop adapter charger you would like to check and repair it if it is not functional, and how you will do by using this multimeter. So simply guys, see here, this is a Dell laptop charger and this one is functional or not. Just I will check by using this multimeter. So see here, just I'm going to connect this adapter in here in extension board. So let me connect it first. Now I will supply it. So see here, this output here, just I have to check more than 10 voltage that should be, then it will be a proper functional this Dell charger. And see here, this is, so we can check it out. This is a direct supply of from electricity, and here is a diode and resistant transformer. So everything has been given here. So here this is a coming direct DC current, and here is a direct alternative current. So firstly let's check here alternative current is coming or not. So for alternative current, simply I will keep this in a alternative current indicator. So this is indicator of alternative current. Now see guys, just I will check by placing in a 2 hole how many voltage is coming here. So see approximately 0 voltage. Let me supply here. Now see guys, here approximately 235 voltage is coming. So from here to here, from here to here, this wire is okay. Now I will check it out, this adapter. So simply I will place here. Now it has been converted in a direct current now. So just I will place this below 20 volt. So here in a 20, and now it's for DC current. So in a direct current, simply I will take this one ground, and I will place on a ground this one, and I will keep in a 1. See guys, this hole is here. On this wire I will touch, and we will check that 12 volt is coming or not. So see guys, here let me once again place it. Let me change this one. So see guys, here just I will keep on a 200 volt, and now 18 volt. So approximately 20 volt that should be guys. Now see here, this is earth. No, this is earth, and this is ground guys. this is ground, this is earth.